Children, hi children, how are you? Today I am going to discuss about Roman numbers children, Roman numerals children. How we can write Roman numerals system children. Now, Roman numerals they are seven basic symbols children. What are they? I will show here how to represent Roman numerals. Hindu Arabic numerals children. Daily we use the numbers children. We call that numbers Hindu Arabic numerals. And these are the Roman numerals. And what are they? I will show. Right. First that is like this one. We have seven basic Roman numerals children. They are like this. We use one like in first class, fifth class, 10th class, we use like that only. Okay, you actually we can use in daily life these symbols, but L is not, we we don't use this in our routine life. So C also we don't use children. D is there, especially we only use 1 2 3 4 5 up to 10 we use writing classes which standard we are. Okay children, and in Indian numerals means Hindu Arabic, we say it as Hindu Arabic numerals, Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals children. Okay, like we have to write this in like a chart. There are specially seven children. By using seven we make numbers children. How to write Roman numerals in numbers I will show here today. This is chapter 1. After last video round of video, I have uploaded round of videos of 10 100,000 and 10,000 with examples children. Please go through that video fully and watch my video, complete video children, then only you can understand my video and problems children. Don't end without seeing full video children. Okay, you will confuse between which is and which concept is I am going to tell about. Okay children, please subscribe my video, watch till end children. Okay, share my video, please like, share and subscribe my video children. Okay, Roman numerals are 1 5 10. This is 50 and this is 100. I will write in Hindu Arabic children. Daily we use this children. 1 5 we call this is 5, and we know this 10, and L we don't know children. What is L? 50. This is C is 100. Okay, this is T. D is 500. M is 1000 children. Basically these seven symbols we have to use children. We have to remember these seven numbers, we have to remember perfectly. Then you can write whatever you want in Roman numerals. Okay, 1 5 10 you easily remember children. Okay, LCDM. LCDM means 50 100 500 1000. First you have to remember this, especially this one children. LCDM 50 100 500 1000. Okay children, 1 5 10 you already know about this. 1 means 1, 5 means this symbol, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. LCDM is 50 100 500 1000 children. I am always telling repeatedly so you can understand properly children. Okay, remember these symbols perfectly. Now I will show rules of writing Roman numerals. Okay, first rule is symbols X, 1X, C and M. These are some rules. 4 rules are there children. These are repeated up to maximum of 3 times only children. Repeated only 3 times. Only maximally 3 times repeat हो they are repeated. Okay, that is, for example, this is 3 children. Sorry, I can written it as third standard. 3 means 1 in is repeated 3 times. 1 1 1 3. This is 1 3 children. And x x x means x value is 10 children. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. Okay, this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 10 plus 10 plus 10 means x means 10, you know it already, and x 3 times means 30. C C C C C C C C means which number? 100. 100 plus 100 plus 100, 300. Now this cm I will show what is here. First rule is 1x cm is repeated maximum 3 times. Means m, for example, m m m, then what you will write? M value is 1000, means 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000. How much children? 3000. This way we have to write the Roman numerals and Hindu numerals. Okay, next rule is symbols V, L and D cannot be repeated. Cannot be repeated. Repeated. Okay, VLD, especially 110 cm is repeated 3 times. VLD cannot be repeated, children. For example, if it is given double V, this is wrong, children. We have to write it as no number is show for this V, double V, or double L. This is also wrong. And D, then wrong. It is wrong. Okay. Now third rule is, if Roman numeral is repeated, we have to write a number. Other numbers like 1 1 1 2 times is repeated, we write it as 2. And 1 3 times repeated, we write it as 3. Or x 2 times repeated, we write it as x means 10, means 20, like this. Okay, fourth rule, last rule, a smaller number is written before the greater number. Number is smaller numeral. Smaller, see here children, smaller numeral, Roman numeral written to the right of the bigger numeral. Right of the, written right of a greater number, greater numeral, then the value of smaller value is added to, smaller value is added to greater. For example, I will show here, children. You can't understand by seeing this one. Smaller numeral is written to the right of a numeral of greater value. Then the value of smaller numeral is added to greater. For example, that is, for example, x I is there. I means 1. This is I. Means it is small. And it is written right to the greater numeral. Means x means 10 value. This is 1 only. This is small. And this is big, greater. Okay, greater numeral. So smaller number is added to greater numeral. So this one is added to this one. Okay, 1 plus 10. 1 place, what is this children? You do the mistake, that is 1 place the value of smaller value number is added to greater numeral, that is 1 place x value is 10, that is 11. Okay, now cx, what is this children? This value is 10 and c value, see in the table, c is 100. So 10 is added to 100. So what is the total value children? 10 plus 1, 10. Okay children, understood? Another example. DC. See here children. C value is what is in chart? 100. And what is D? 500. So 100 is added to 500. So what we will get children? 600. This is the Roman numerals conversion children. That's all. And first, now in your exercise problems you can do so many problems children. I will show LXIV children. Some are example problems, so many big children. You have to understood first what values are. First you have to remember what L represent, what X represent, what this number children. So this is what children? 50, and this is 10, and this is children 6. Means what value will come children? This is very small number. This is 10, means this is 4, I think. 4 plus 10, 14. 14 plus L means 50. 14 plus L means 50. 50 plus 14, 4 plus 1, 60. 4 children, this one is. This is 10, this is 4. Or you can write it as 5 and plus 1, 6. Okay, this is 4, 10, 50. 60 plus 4. Okay. Now, what is this one? 46. How you can write? 10 L 6. Okay. This is 10. L is 50. And this is 6. Okay. This is XLVI. Okay, these are the Roman numerals children, and Hindu Arabic numerals. Daily we can use these numbers. Compare these children. First remember these 7 symbols, then only you can practice these examples. Rules are, you cannot repeat this maximum of 3 times only. More than that you can't repeat these numbers. IXCM and VLD cannot be repeated children. Okay, if you repeat these other numbers, you can write it as simply basic symbols, and smaller number is written right to the greater value that can be added. For example, like this. Okay, you have say so many problems in your textbook. Practice that problems children. Okay, if you have, for example, another fifth rule I forgot to tell children, a smaller numeral left is written like this. Smaller written to the left of the greater number, greater, then the value of smaller is subtracted children, subtracted from greater. Okay, example, see children, 4, this one is there. Here it is small, here it is big, here it is big children, here it is small. In this, smaller is right of a greater. Here is smaller is left of the greater. So we have to subtract from greater, that is 4. Here also same children, smaller Here it is greater. So we have to subtract this. 50 minus 10, 40. 40 and 6, 46. Okay, like that. Another example I will show. XC. What is value of x and c? X is 10, c is 100. Means smaller is left and greater is right. So 100 minus 10, that is 90. Another example is CD. 100, D is 500. 500 minus 100, that is 400. These are some examples of 5 rules, children. There are 5 rules. Smaller is left, we have to subtract from greater. If smaller is right side of the greater, then we have to add the greater value and smaller value. Here we have to subtract if it is in the left, smaller value, like this. Here it is 5 is right side, 1 is in the left side, 10 is in the left side, and C is 100 is right side. Bigger value at the right side we have to subtract. Bigger value at the left side we have to add. Okay children, these are 2, 4th and 5th. You have to somewhat we have to remember, and these 3 also you have to remember perfectly, then only you can do the problems on Roman numerals conversion. Okay, Hindu Arabic numerals, and which number we can write easily, we can subtract and add, you have to remember properly children. First you have to perfect on the rules and symbols, table chart. Okay, thank you children, thank you for watching. Please complete video, watch my complete video. Okay, like, share and subscribe my video for more videos. Thank you.